Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about variables, one of the core concepts of programming. We use variable like a container which stores data in computer's memory. Here's an example of variable named score which stores value of 25 in it. Whenever we want to access value stored in score, that is 25, we use the variable score to point the value in computer's memory. Let's print score variable and see what does it print out. Click this run button here, and since I have not saved the program, it isn't printing anything. It prints out 25, that is the value stored in score variable. Now let's see some data types that variable can store. In Python we have two types of data types. One is primitive data types and second is reference data types. Now we'll only be looking at primitive data types. Inside primitive data types we have three data types, that is number, boolean and string. Let's see number data type first. What does number data type is? Number data type is anything that stores a number like 25, 100, 10, 20, etc. 25 is integer data type, whereas 25.6 is floating data type. As you may have guessed, anything that is in decimal is known as floating data type, whereas anything like exact number is known as integer data type. Now let's see what Boolean data type is. Boolean data type is printable value. Is printable variable stores a value of true, then it stores a value of Boolean data type. Boolean data type is like in English we say yes or no. So it also have false as the value. Okay, now we'll be looking at string data type. What are string data type and why it is used? It is the most used data type to store anything that should not be modified, like name equals to Samrat. Anything text enclosed inside double quotation mark or single quotation mark is known as string. We use string so that it cannot be modified itself. It is immutable object, which we'll later on talk about it on the course. Now let's print out name and see what does it print out. Since we have not saved our program, we get 25 as an output, but since we saved it, we get 25 and Samrat as the output. Now the most important part is Python is a case sensitive language, so you must have to write the capital T and capital F during writing a Boolean data type, that is true like this is not equal to true like this. Okay, see you in the next video. This was all about variable and primitive data types.